So Monday, November 10th, and I didn't get a video of it, but Dad just fired up the other Bombardier Muskeg Tractor and we pulled this back about 10 feet. Dad is going to start grinding and priming and painting the bottom half of the 73. This belongs to us. It's got the engine and transmission right there, so we hope to get it onto the crane and into place here soon, and might be a two-man job again. But Dad was working on the cab part here today, and he's got it on sawhorses, and he's got his grinder and his jigsaw out, and he welded on a new plate on the front there. Still has to do the other side. He had to square all this up because it's got to fit with the gas tank that will eventually put this over. And he's just moving his tool chest right now, but it was a little tight quarters here earlier for him, but now that he can easily get around the cab, and with the bottom half of that Muskeg tractor in place, he can easily move around and get this done. So while he's working on this, he can also work on this. So if he's done with a task here, he can easily bounce back over here. Hopefully they're both painted at the exact same time.
If I prime this, then we can put the windows in there.
Okay, so he's got a little bit more work to do here, probably a week, maybe a bit more for the rest of the grinding and welding and prepping and priming and painting. And he's got all his other equipment stored here. He's got his record rad that we got done a couple months back, and he's gonna get that done. So Dad just moved the rad, and we moved the box and the sawhorses. They're over here now, and then Dad can start putting everything, laying everything out and getting it ready with just the one machine in the shop now. Dad'll actually have more space to move around and work easily. Usually pretty tight conditions when you have two machines in the shop, but back where Dad is right now, there's a bunch of other parts in here. He's just dragging out a big piece of tin, or steel I mean, for finishing this off here. So I'm going to just give him a quick hand. So we got the steel moved onto the bottom half of the Muskeg tractor and just swept up the shop. It's remarkable how much was on the floor just from yesterday. Mostly from Dad grinding here. So just a quick short update email, just moving stuff around. Again, Dad's going to probably put in that side here tomorrow, and he's going to continue filling in the dimples, and hopefully he can get to priming here soon.
There'll be another chunk in here to match this.
Yeah.
And then there's going to be a sheet that goes over top here.
Okay.
For taking a fuel tank out or whatever you want to do.
Okay.
And lock down here.
Okay, so quite a bit of cutting, welding, and grinding here in the next little while. So, but he's got two good work areas, nice and clean to work around, and hopefully this can progress now that we only have the one job left in the shop. Hopefully this gets installed very quickly, because I can't wait to see it get off this table. And then Dad has another work table, and that one's got to get cleaned up eventually, and maybe even if we get this done, we might even have an opportunity to do some more cleaning up at the shop. But I'll probably be out here helping out Dad tomorrow. I gotta load in a bunch of more wood. That last pile barely lasts a week, but yeah, getting really excited because this is 10 years plus of wanting this machine to be done, and it's on its final last legs. Well, November 11th, end of day, look who just showed up. Yeah, already got my Bilo Bilo. So Larry's here, brought Martina and Martina's cousin. And D-Dog's here, and we're gonna check in with Larry and, ooh, look at that, pickled eggs. Got Martina busy, eh, buddy? Yeah, there we go.
Gotta keep her going.
So Larry's just brought Dad his pickled eggs. They're excited to get into this. Donnie is just excited as hell. We got D-Dog here and just getting introduced to Georgie Porgy. And end of day. It's about 3:45 here right now. Larry's been driving all day, and they're gonna get into this. So Tuesday, November 11th, and Dad has been welding all day, putting in this second chunk right here, and he's got lots of room to move around, so he's pretty happy about that. And long day, and we're gonna wait for Larry. Usually we have a couple extra pieces of tin lying around or steel, but Dad had to take this brand new chunk here and cut out that chunk for the front. And I can't foresee us using much more of this, but we'll see how Dad progresses. Who's the biggest suck of a dog do we have, hey? Our old Charlie? Oh, my old dog, hey? What a good old dog.